Welcome to Module 4. Topic: Oklahoma liquor laws. Information to be covered in this module. Number 1. Oklahoma law concerning underage sales. Number 2. Persons under the age of 21 entering an area that alcohol service is the main function. Number 3. Penalties for furnishing alcohol beverages to minors. Number 4. Special circumstance for immunity from prosecution. Number 5. Age of employment for alcohol service and/or sales. Number 6. Service and/or sales of alcohol to an intoxicated person. Number 7. Penalties for serving or selling alcohol to an intoxicated person. It is illegal to sell or serve alcoholic beverages to persons under the age of 21, minors. It is also illegal to allow persons under the age of 21 into areas of an establishment that the area's main function is serving alcoholic beverages. The penalties for serving or selling alcoholic beverages to minors are this. If you sell, furnish, or give alcohol to a minor person, you could be charged with a misdemeanor for a first offense and with a felony for a second offense. Penalties for a first offense: license revoked, fine up to $500, imprisonment in the county jail for up to 1 year. Second and subsequent offense: license revoked, fine from $2,500 to $5,000, imprisonment in the state penitentiary. In fact, it is illegal for a person under the age of 21 to attempt to purchase or consume alcoholic beverages. If they attempt to do so, they will be guilty of a misdemeanor. Allow any person under 21 years of age to enter into, remain within, or loiter about the designated bar area of the licensed premises, except for persons who incidentally pass through the designated areas. As we have discussed, persons under the age of 21 are forbidden to purchase or consume alcohol except for certain situations. There is a circumstance for immunity from prosecution. A peace officer may take a person into custody based solely on the commission of an offense involving alcohol described in subsection C of the section if the law enforcement officer, after making a reasonable determination and considering the facts and surrounding circumstances, reasonably believe that all of the following apply. The law enforcement officer has contact with the person because the person requested emergency medical assistance for an individual who reasonably appeared to be in need of medical assistance due to alcohol consumption, and the person provided the person's full name and any other relevant information requested by the law enforcement officer, remained at the scene with the individual who reasonably appeared to be in need of medical assistance due to alcohol consumption until emergency medical assistance arrived, and cooperated with emergency medical assistance personnel and law enforcement officers at the scene. No licensee of the Able Commission shall employ any person under the age of 21 in the selling or handling of alcoholic beverages, provided that a mixed beverage, beer and wine, caterer, public event, special event, or bottle club licensee may employ servers who are at least 18 years of age, except persons under the age of 21 years of age may not serve in designated bar or lounge areas, and a mixed beverage, beer and wine caterer, public event, special event, or bottle club licensee may employ or hire musical bands who have musicians who are under 21 years of age. If each musician is either accompanied by a parent or legal guardian or has on their person to be made available for inspection upon demand by any Able Commission officer or law enforcement officer, a written, notarized affidavit from the parent or legal guardian giving the underage musician permission to perform in designated bar or lounge areas. Any person who shall knowingly sell, furnish, or give alcoholic beverage to an insane, mentally deficient, or intoxicated person shall be guilty of a misdemeanor for a first violation, and upon conviction shall be fined for not more than $500 or imprisoned in the county jail for not more than 1 year, or by both such fine and imprisonment. Any person convicted of a second or subsequent violation shall be guilty of a felony, and shall not be fined less than $2,500 or more than $5,000, or imprisoned in the state penitentiary for not more than 5 years, or by both fine and imprisonment. The Able Commission shall revoke the license of any person convicted of a violation of this section. If you sell, furnish, or give alcohol to an intoxicated person, you could be charged with a misdemeanor for a first offense and with a felony for a second offense. Penalties for first offense: license revoked, fine up to $500, imprisonment in the county jail for up to 1 year. Second and subsequent offense: license revoked, fine from $2,500 to $5,000, imprisonment in the state penitentiary for up to 5 years. All licenses issued pursuant to the provisions of the Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Control Act shall be displayed in a conspicuous place at all times on the licensed premises. No licensee of the Able Commission shall employ any person under the age of 21 in the selling or handling of alcoholic beverages, provided that a mixed beverage, beer, and wine caterer, public event, special event, or bottle club licensee may employ servers who are at least 18 years of age, except persons under 21 years of age may not serve in designated bar or lounge areas, and a mixed beverage, beer, and wine caterer, public event, special event, or bottle club licensee may employ or hire musical bands who have musicians who are under 21 years of age. If each musician is either accompanied by a parent or legal guardian or has on their person to be made available for inspection upon demand by any Able Commission officer or law enforcement officer, a written, notarized affidavit from the parent or legal guardian giving the underage musician permission to perform in designated bar or lounge areas. Every person who sells alcoholic beverages at retail shall post conspicuously and keep it posted at the place of a business a sign stating the following: "It's the law. We do not sell alcoholic beverages to persons under 21 years of age." Every person who sells Low Point beer at retail shall conspicuously and keep posted at the place of business a sign stating the following: "It's the law. We do not sell Low Point beer to persons under 21 years of age." Give any alcoholic beverage as a prize, premium, or consideration for any lottery, game of chance, or skill, or any type of competition. It is illegal to advertise or offer happy hour at any other means or inducements to stimulate the consumption of alcoholic beverages, including serve more than 2 drinks to one person at a time, sell or offer to sell to any person or group of persons any drinks at a price less than the price regularly charged for such drinks, including the same calendar week, except at private functions not open to the public. Permit any person to be drunk or intoxicated on the licensed premises. It is illegal for any employee on duty to consume alcohol or to be intoxicated while working. It is illegal to allow offensive or threatening language or conduct. It is illegal to have contests that involve drinking. It is illegal to give alcohol as a prize. It is illegal to allow gambling, illegal drug use, or prostitution on a licensed premises. Prohibited Acts violations. No person shall consume spirits in public except on the premises of a licensee of the Able Commission who is authorized to sell or serve spirits by the individual drink. It is illegal for an individual to consume alcohol in a public place, unless the place is licensed to serve or sell alcohol. This concludes Module 4. Let's do a little recap. You should now know the laws concerning alcoholic beverages to minors and intoxicated persons, as well as the penalties for such. You may now take the Module 4 quiz.